So here's another withdrawal I'm about to do of $249. Select the token, pop my address in, select the blockchain, click continue. I'm going to withdraw the max. Click withdraw, so I'm going to get $246. Always asks me for my Google Authenticator, so I'll just pop that in there and click continue. That's it. That payment's now speeding its way to me. I normally get these the same day, but the longest I've waited is, I think, just under 24 hours. Let me do another withdrawal, this time out of my wife's account. So my wife's got 128.10, so do withdraw. Select the token again, wallet address in there, select the blockchain, continue, do the max. But if you look down the bottom here, these are the other withdrawals that I did for my wife's account, and they're all complete, got the blockchain transactions, and they complete pretty fast. So click withdraw, and again need to put in the Google Authenticator. That's it, that withdrawal's done. Now if you're interested to discover how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation, then below this video you'll find a link. Click the link, it'll take you over to this page, and I'll send you my free blueprint of how I'm making a passive income with crypto volatility. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video.